మరుగేలరా ఓ రాఘవా. This is what Tyagarada is trying to plead with his Lord, Ishtadevam, Ramchandramurti, whom he calls in this Kruti as Raghava. And he is saying, why are you hiding from me? Implying, give me your darshan. That's what many of these songs speak about darshan, in longing for darshan. Marugelana O Raghava, Marugelana O Raghava, Marugelana O Raghava, Marugelana O Raghava, Marugelana O Raghava. Marugela chara chara rupa, 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 para Surya Sudha Karalochana, Marugela Sudha Karalochana, Marugela Rama. Anini vanuchu antarangamu tinnaga vedaki telisikontinaiya. Anini vanuchu antarangamu tinnaga vedaki telisikontinaiya. Ninne gani madi నిన్న జాల నురులా నిన్నే గాని మాది నిన్న జాల నురుల నిన్నే గాని మాది నిన్న జాల నోరు నిన్నే గాని మాది నిన్న జాల నోరుల నిన్నే గాని మాది నిన్న జాల నోరు నిన్నే గాని మాది నిన్న జాల నోరుల నిన్నే గాని మాది నిన్న జాల నోరు నిన్నే గాని మాది నిన్న జాల నోరుల నన్ను బ్రోవయ్య త్యాగరాజను దామ తుగేనరా. నిన్నే గాని మాది నిన్న జాల నోరుల
నన్ను బ్రోవయ్య త్యాగరాజను మధుగేలరా ఓ రాఘవ మధుగేలరా ఓ రాఘవ
second and the last Kriti he has chosen. This is his most favorite and also my most favorite song from Purandaradasa. I see few North Indians are also. This is a Telugu song. There are not many Telugu people here, so I want to read out exactly what the meaning of the song is. So, Maraya Beda Manava Neenu Hiriya. This is the name of the song. Some of you recognize already, not difficult, other people. And it is actually Kamash Raga and also Rupagatala. What it says is, those who don't know the Telugu, meaning of this is, O mind of mine, do not you forget or worship the feet of Hari regularly. Why break your head with rituals like Yajna, Yaga, or becoming yati, sannyasi, or a yogi, when easy way is available, the easy way. Do not be disproportionately attached to the attachments of the life, including wife or children. You ultimately, when you depart from this universe, no one will accompany you to the last journey by merely chanting the name of Hari. Simple things, especially so in Kali Yuga today, now. You will attain moksha, a paradise. So do not forget or worship the Hari Lord.
Maraya Beda Manave Neenu Hariya Charanava Maraya Beda Manave. This is what Prabhupada is pleading to you, saying, don't you forget to worship the Lord's Vishnu's feet. And he spends the rest of the Kriti in explaining why. Because what is so important in Kali Yuga is not the yaga, yajna, and other things. Maraya Beda Manave Neenu Hariya Charanava 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 Maraya Beda Manave Neenu Yagna Madalike Yagna Madalike Yogiyatiyu Agalike Yagna Madalike Yogiyatiyu Agalike Nagashayana Narada Vandana Puri Bhajani Madu Manuja Nagashayana Narada Vandana Puri Bhajani Madu Manuja Maraya Beda Manave Neenu Hariya Charanava Maraya Beda Manave ಸತಿಯು ಸುತ್ತರು ಇದ್ದರು ಎಂದು ಮತಿಯ ಕೆಟ್ಟು ತಿರುಗಲಿ ಗತಿಯು ತಪ್ಪಿ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಸತಿ ಸುತ್ತರು ಬರುವರೇನು ಗತಿಯು ತಪ್ಪಿ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಸತಿ ಸುತ್ತರು ಬರುವರೇನು ಮರೆಯಬೇಡು ಮನವೇ ನೀನು ಹರಿಯ ಚರಣವ ಹರಿಯ ಸ್ಮರಣೆ ಮಾತ್ರದಿಂದ ಹರಿಯ ಸ್ಮರಣೆ ಮಾತ್ರದಿಂದ ದುರಿತ ಕಲುಷಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ನಾಶ ಹರಿಯ ಸ್ಮರಣೆ ಮಾತ್ರದಿಂದ ದುರಿತ ಕಲುಷಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ನಾಶ ಹರಿ ಸ್ಮರಣ ಮಾತ್ರದಿಂದ ದುರಿತ ಕಲುಷಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ನಾಶ ಹರಿಯ ಸ್ಮರಣ ಮಾತ್ರದಿಂದ ದುರಿತ ಕಲುಷಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ನಾಶ ಪರಮ ಪುರುಷ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲ ಪರಮ ಪದವಿ ಕೊಡುವನು ಪರಮ ಪುರುಷ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲ ಪರಮ ಪದವಿ ಕೊಡುವನು ಮರೆಯಬೇಡ